Storm's coming in on the James tonight. Got some wind blowing. Not too much, but it is coming in. I want to thank y'all for being with us here at Surrey House 2. I did not get my fried fish cooked tonight for the storm. I will survive. But they're saying 40-mile-an-hour winds coming off the James River today. I believe it when I see it. Now I got Bonnie Torrance down on the beach right now. She's getting an eye on the situation as a whole, going to inform me of what we need to do. I've already picked up the chairs and the tents and tarps, as I was told to do, and I took care of that, guys. Just so you know, I do listen from time to time. But I want to send much love out to you. Look across to the river there, Charles City County. Some of them Charles City Indians over there, they get a little rain right there. We got some wind blowing up. I'm going to cut back to my dogs here for a minute. They seem to be interested in what's going on. Now, you never know. I got a smart one and a dumb one. Now, y'all pick which one is which. But down here at Surrey House 2, this is what we live every day. I'm young and good looking, extremely horny. Take care of my personal hygiene. Got my chores done. At least most of them anyway. But we got some winds coming in on us tonight. Oh yeah. Easy knocking some stuff out there. There we go. I can hear it. Just came up out of nowhere. Good Lord's gonna protect me. Now, he might not let me have no fried fish tonight, but I'll be understanding, you know. Of course, now Bonds, she done went down the beach to investigate what's going on. Let's see what she finds out. Surrey County, Virginia, home of my ancestors, 1913 plus. That's too good, this last little place right here. Get up kind of quick. That's my new bride right there. Bonnie Torrance, my new bride. She has that new bride smell. Some of that Push Me in the Bush perfume gets me going every time. I'm gonna spin around to check my dogs out. They is awful anxious. Bonnie, what'd you find out there?
The sand is blowing and stinging my legs.
It's probably not good.
Please don't post this video of me. Alright boys, let's go in. Did that flow down or did
It fell on its own. Small storms on the James River tonight. Wind blowing so hard to blow a chicken out of a Coke bottle, as my Guineaman brother would say. Well, it looks like it's passed. I'm thinking fried shrimp in the deep fryer. And red potatoes. Much love out to you from Surrey House 2. Like and subscribe. It is appreciated. We'll see you on the flip side. Take care. Surrey House 2. And we are out.